it pulled out really easy. So I'm very happy about that. And this never seemed to get in the way, so I guess I can just leave that. This gives you a bird's eye view of that O2 sensor. Okay, while I've got the back valve cover off, I'm gonna take out this O2 sensor. It has not been giving me any readings, but with 160 plus thousand miles. So it's right back here, and I'm gonna try to take it out. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I had to use an impact gun with a 1/2 inch extension. Okay, it looks pretty clean, but that doesn't mean anything. I zip tied the secondary air tube back so I could easily get in there. Alright, I bought this Bosch one on Rock Auto. It looks like it already has some anti-seize on the threads. And it's made a little bit different. Here's the part number. Book says to put it in at 30 foot-pounds. Okay, I got the new one in. Put it in at 30 foot-pounds. Which didn't seem all that tight, but certainly don't know how you'd have gotten that out of there any other way than coming from the top. It seems impossible to access this from the bottom, especially if the valve cover's on. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks to all my subscribers.